Google Gemini AI Image Generator Tutorial. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search Google Gemini. Click on the first link that pops up. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you'll need to add prompt. Simply type generate an image and what kind of image you want. And at the last, make sure you add realistic. After that, press on enter on your keyboard and your image will pop up. As you can see, it is pretty realistic. If you want to redo the picture, if you don't like it, press on the arrow-like option, which is circle at the bottom of the image. After you click on it, it will redo the image. And if you don't like any picture from here, what you can do is open new tab and search Bing Image Generator. Click on Free AI Image Generator, and then in here you can generate image as well. Enter prompt like generate an image and make sure you add realistic. And this is the tutorial for Google Gemini AI Image Generator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.